On Snapchat, tap on your profile image. This will open up your profile page. Tap the gear icon in the upper right corner of your profile screen. This will take you to the settings menu. Scroll down and select the Contact Me option. It's listed under the Privacy Control section. Choose My Friends from the menu that pops up. This makes it so only friends you've added on Snapchat can contact you directly with snaps, chats, or calls. If someone who isn't your friend tries to snap you, you'll get a notification. You can add them as a friend from there to view their snap. Hit the back button in the bottom right to return to the settings. Next, choose View My Story, which is also under Privacy Control section. Pick My Friends again. This ensures only your added Snapchat friends can view your story posts. You also have the option to create a custom list of friends who can view your story here. Tap the back button again to return to settings. Select See Me in Quick Add under the Privacy Control menu. Uncheck the Show Me in the Quick Add. This prevents you from showing up in another Snapchatter's or Friends Quick Add sections.